Paris, the capital city of France, is one of the most visited cities in the world. Known as the City of Light, or La Ville Lumière, it has a rich history, culture, and art that attract millions of tourists every year. From its stunning architecture to its world-renowned museums, Paris has something for everyone. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore some of the top attractions that tourists should see when visiting Paris. Eiffel Tower. One of the most iconic landmarks in Paris is the Eiffel Tower. This 324-meter-tall tower was built by Gustave Eiffel for the 1889 World's Fair, and it quickly became a symbol of Paris. Visitors can climb up to the top of the tower and enjoy panoramic views of the city. You can also enjoy a delicious meal at the restaurant located on the first floor. Arc de Triomphe. The Arc de Triomphe is another iconic Parisian landmark. It is a monument that honors those who fought and died for France in the French Revolutionary and Napoleonic Wars. The arch is located at the end of the famous Champs-Élysées, a street lined with high-end shops, restaurants, and cafes. Visitors can climb to the top of the arch and enjoy stunning views of the city. Louvre Museum. The Louvre Museum is one of the most famous museums in the world. It is home to thousands of works of art, including the world-famous Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. The museum's collection includes art from ancient civilizations to contemporary works, with over 35,000 pieces on display. The Louvre is a must-visit for art lovers and anyone interested in history and culture. Musée d'Orsay. The Musée d'Orsay is another must-see museum in Paris. It is located in a former train station and features an impressive collection of Impressionist and Post-Impressionist art. The museum's collection includes works by famous artists such as Van Gogh, Monet, and Renoir. The Musée d'Orsay is a great option for anyone interested in art history and 19th-century French art. Centre Pompidou. The Centre Pompidou is a modern art museum located in the heart of Paris. The museum's unique architecture, with its exposed pipes and colorful exterior, makes it stand out from the city's traditional buildings. The Centre Pompidou houses a vast collection of modern and contemporary art, including works by artists such as Picasso, Matisse, and Warhol. The museum also features a rooftop terrace with stunning views of the city. Notre Dame Cathedral. The Notre Dame Cathedral is one of the most famous churches in the world. It is a stunning example of Gothic architecture and is located on the Île de la Cité, a small island in the Seine River. The cathedral's construction began in 1163 and took over 200 years to complete. Visitors can admire the cathedral's beautiful stained glass windows, rose windows, and intricate sculptures. Sainte-Chapelle. The Sainte-Chapelle is another beautiful church located on the Île de la Cité. It was built in the 13th century and features stunning stained glass windows that depict scenes from the Bible. The chapel's interior is bathed in colorful light, creating a magical atmosphere that is truly breathtaking. Palace of Versailles. The Palace of Versailles is a must-visit attraction for anyone interested in history and architecture. Located just outside of Paris, the palace was the residence of the French kings from the 17th century until the French Revolution. Visitors can tour the palace's lavish rooms, including the famous Hall of Mirrors, and stroll through the beautiful gardens. Montmartre is a charming neighborhood located in the north of Paris. It is known for its picturesque streets, bohemian atmosphere, and stunning views of the city. Montmartre was a haven for artists in the 19th and early 20th centuries, with famous painters such as Van Gogh, Picasso, and Toulouse-Lautrec calling it home. Today, visitors can wander through the narrow streets, visit the famous Sacré-Cœur Basilica, and enjoy a coffee or a glass of wine in one of the many cafes and restaurants. Catacombs of Paris. The Catacombs of Paris are a unique and somewhat eerie attraction that is not for the faint of heart. Located beneath the streets of Paris, the catacombs are a series of underground tunnels and chambers that contain the remains of over 6 million people. The catacombs were created in the 18th century when Paris's cemeteries became overcrowded, and bodies were moved underground. Visitors can take a guided tour of the catacombs and learn about the history and significance of this unusual attraction. Jardin des Tuileries. The Jardin des Tuileries is a beautiful park located between the Louvre Museum and Place de la Concorde. It was created in the 16th century and features a formal French garden design with fountains, statues, and manicured lawns. Visitors can take a leisurely stroll through the park, enjoy a picnic, or relax in one of the many chairs or benches scattered throughout the gardens. Seine River Cruise. A Seine River cruise is a great way to see Paris from a different perspective. Many companies offer boat tours along the Seine, allowing visitors to see the city's famous landmarks from the water. As you cruise down the river, you'll pass by the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame Cathedral, and other iconic Parisian landmarks. Some tours also include a meal or a glass of champagne, making it a romantic and memorable experience. Château de Fontainebleau. The Château de Fontainebleau is a magnificent palace located just outside of Paris. It was the residence of French kings from the 12th century until the 19th century and features a unique blend of architectural styles, including Renaissance and Baroque. Visitors can tour the palace's beautiful rooms, including the famous Napoleon's throne room, and explore the sprawling gardens. Champs-Élysées. The Champs-Élysées is one of the most famous streets in the world. It is lined with high-end shops, restaurants, and cafes and is a popular destination for both locals and tourists. Visitors can take a leisurely stroll down the avenue, window shop at luxury boutiques, or stop for a coffee or a meal at one of the many cafes or restaurants. In conclusion, Paris is a city that is full of history, culture, and beauty. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the stunning Palace of Versailles, there is something for everyone in this vibrant and enchanting city. Whether you're interested in art, history, architecture, or just want to enjoy the city's charm and beauty, Paris is a must-visit destination that will leave a lasting impression.